Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make jasmine rice. First, measure 1 cup of jasmine rice. Place it in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cool running water for about 30 seconds. This step is crucial as it removes excess starch, which helps prevent the rice from becoming sticky and ensures each grain cooks up light and fluffy. Continue rinsing until the water runs mostly clear, then drain well. Next, transfer the rinsed rice to a saucepan. Add 1 1/4 cups of cold water to the pot. Bring the water and rice to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the pot tightly with a lid, and let it simmer undisturbed for exactly 12 minutes. Do not lift the lid during this time. After 12 minutes, turn off the heat completely. It's very important to leave the lid on and let the rice rest for an additional 10 minutes. This allows the remaining steam to finish cooking the rice evenly and helps the grains firm up. Once rested, remove the lid and gently fluff the jasmine rice with a fork. This separates the grains and releases any trapped steam, making it perfectly airy. For the best results, always use a heavy-bottomed pot to ensure even heat distribution and prevent scorching. Remember, resist the urge to peek or stir the rice while it's cooking. This traps the steam needed for perfect texture. Also, staying hydrated is key, so check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, fragrant jasmine rice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.